In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to detect fair value gaps, FVG, automatically on TradingView. Whether you are a seasoned price action trader or just starting out with the inner circle trader methodology, understanding imbalances is crucial for your success. A fair value gap occurs within a 3-candle sequence when there is a sharp price movement, leaving a literal gap where the wicks of the first and third candles do not meet. These areas represent a market imbalance, where only one side, either buyers or sellers, was dominant. For many traders, these gaps act as magnets, often being filled or mitigated before the market continues its trend. Identifying these manually across multiple timeframes can be exhausting and prone to human error. By automating this process, you ensure that you never miss a potential entry or exit zone, allowing you to focus more on your strategy and less on squinting at your screen. First, navigate to the TradingView website and log into your account. Ensuring you are logged in allows you to save your chart layouts and indicator settings for future sessions. Once you are on the homepage, open any chart by clicking on the Chart tab in the main navigation menu. Alternatively, if you have a specific asset in mind, you can use the search bar to type in a ticker symbol, like Apple or Bitcoin, to pull up the price action for that specific market. From there, we need to access the indicator library. Locate the top toolbar on your chart screen and click on the Indicators button, which is represented by a graph icon with a plus sign. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can simply press the / key on your keyboard to instantly bring up the search menu. In the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategy search box, type exactly Fair Value Gap. You will see a variety of options appear. Under the Technicals or Community Scripts section, I recommend selecting the official TradingView built-in indicator titled Fair Value Gap for a clean look. However, if you want more advanced features, a very popular community version is Fair Value Gap by Nephew Sam. Clicking on your chosen indicator will immediately apply it to your current chart. Now that the indicator is active, you will see boxes appearing over certain sections of your candles. To make these work best for your specific strategy, we need to customize them. Locate the indicator name in the top left legend area of your chart and click the Settings gear icon. This will open up a configuration menu. Once the menu is open, navigate to the Inputs tab. Here, you can select the time frame you want the indicator to analyze. You should also adjust the general FVG settings here, such as the color of bullish versus bearish gaps, to ensure they match your personal trading style and chart background. Next, you will want to enable the Extend Boxes feature. This is a vital step because it projects the FVG boxes forward across your chart. These boxes will remain visible until they are mitigated or filled by future price action. This allows you to see exactly when the market returns to an old imbalance. You can also adjust the length of the boxes to ensure your chart remains clean and readable. After you have the input set, select the Visibility tab within the same settings menu. This is a great way to keep your charts organized. You can check or uncheck boxes to ensure the gaps are only displayed on the specific timeframes you use for your analysis, such as the 15-minute or 1-hour charts. This prevents your daily or weekly charts from becoming cluttered with small, lower timeframe gaps. Once you are satisfied with all your adjustments, click the OK button to save your configurations. You will now see automated, professional-grade fair value gaps appearing directly on your price candles. In summary, automating your FVG detection saves time, reduces eye strain, and provides a clear map of market imbalances that you can use to refine your entries. By following these steps, you have transformed your TradingView chart into a more powerful analytical tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more trading tips and technical analysis guides. Happy trading!